young people in Gwent got to quiz the presiding officer of the National Assembly for Wales, Rosemary Butler AM, as part of her visit to the South Wales East region. She met Welsh baccalaureate students at Coleg Gwent's Pontypool campus and members of Cold Barn Farm Youth Club at Cold Barn Farm Youth and Activity Centre in Presiding.
Now, who decides that there's going to be a road that way? Who decides where the park is going to be? Who decides whether there's going to be a football field down the road? I mean, that's politics, that's grassroots politics.
The visit is part of the presiding officer's continuing campaign to encourage young people to get involved in the work that the National Assembly does in holding the Welsh Government to account and making Welsh laws.
Not everybody knows what we're doing. A lot of people haven't been to the Assembly, so we need to encourage people, particularly in this area, to come to the Assembly. But talking to them today, a whole range of issues have come up, and I'm really impressed with how they begin to think about what it means to get involved in politics.
During her discussions, the presiding officer highlighted the Assembly's petition system and asked them about ways that the Assembly can better engage with young people.
I really enjoyed meeting the presiding officer because it showed that she was really passionate about her job and that she actually wants to see what the youth have got to say, and she's not just taking the view of the adults.
A lot of people feel that if we get involved in politics, then we're able to help ourselves and we can't complain if any decisions we make go wrong.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.